In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher on the process, we've got you covered. Creating a purchase order is a straightforward task, but it's crucial for managing supplier transactions effectively. Let's dive right into it and get started. First, open your Xero dashboard and direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon sitting there. This is your go-to spot for creating new entries. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various options for different types of transactions and documents you can create. From this menu, select Purchase Order. It's a simple click, but this step is vital as it sets the stage for entering all the necessary details. Once you've clicked Purchase Order, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can input the details of your purchase. This screen is your canvas to paint a complete picture of your order, so take your time to ensure every detail is accurate. You'll need to fill in information like the supplier's name, the date of the order, and the expected delivery date. It's also important to include specific product details. Think item descriptions, quantities needed, and agreed prices. Remember, the more precise and thorough you are here, the better it will be for record keeping and for ensuring that everything aligns smoothly with your supplier. Xero generally has user-friendly interfaces, but if you need help identifying where to input each piece of information, tooltips or help icons on the screen may offer guidance. Once every field is filled to your satisfaction, you'll want to give everything a final review. It may be a good idea to double-check the supplier details and cost totals to avoid any surprises down the line. Now, after confirming that all your details are spot on, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the screen. Click it, and just like that, your purchase order will be saved in the system. This order is accessible anytime you need to reference it, providing the documentation needed for supplier interactions. And there you have it. Your purchase order is now ready and entered into Xero. While the process may seem brief, these few steps are essential in maintaining a smooth and organized purchase operation. Each entry helps to streamline your purchasing process, keep your records tidy, and ensure your business runs efficiently. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy accounting!